You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from your Amazon Pay balance to your bank account. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because that can help me out. So let's get started with the process. So the first step is to check your eligibility. So ensure your Amazon Pay account allows bank transfer. Once you confirm that, then the next step is to go to the Amazon app and tap on the Amazon Pay. Then once that is confirmed, then choose to bank account if available on your list. Then from there you have to enter the bank details, which is to provide your account number, which is the IFSC or the equivalent, or probably could be your account name. Then from there you have to confirm the transfer. So review the details and complete the transaction. And here's the key important note: if direct transfer is not available in your region, consider using the balance for purchases, buying gift cards, or contact the Amazon support. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and subscribe for more.